everybody. Hello, 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 hello.
Hello, 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 hello.
Hello, is everybody here? Is everybody having fun? Yeah! Has everybody learned something? Yeah! Cool. I've learned I really should drink at regular intervals, because I haven't yet. But anyway.
Okay.
So welcome. We are here at the Demo Jam. Oh, it's been a long day already. And we're featuring some amazing apps. My name is Francis Pinder, and obviously Kerry
Townsend.
And I'm in charge of this side, and Kerry's in charge of that side. So our teams, we're going to have a winner on our side, definitely.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
I didn't know we were doing that.
No, anyway, yeah.
I'm looking at my side. They're looking confident.
So for those who don't know the rules for a demo jam, basically each sponsor comes up and demos their app for, how long is it? Sorry.
3 minutes.
3 minutes, yeah, good.
3 minutes.
I know what I'm doing. 3 minutes, they demo their app. They're not allowed any slides at all. And once the 3 minutes are up, I push them off the stage. And then we get the next one up. And then there's another 3-minute demo, another 3-minute demo, another 3-minute demo. And then when we get to the end, you have to vote for your favorite app, okay? Although it's slightly different this year.
Yeah, we're experimenting with something a little bit new. So you'll get there'll be the standard demo trophy that everybody is familiar with. So that will be for your favorite app. But we're also adding a bit of London flavor. And we're also asking you to vote again, so it's a separate vote, for the app that you think your organization is most likely to implement next. So thinking about your organization and the sort of challenges they have, think about which one of these apps might solve one of those problems. So there's two little bits of, it's a different take here. So you can vote for the app that you think is just absolutely amazing, but one that you think, maybe I can actually convince my company that this would be a great idea off the back of this wonderful event.
Okay, so does everybody know the rules? Are we ready to go? Okay, so here we go. Is your mic working?
Francis, I'm just going to quickly tell people who we've got coming.
Oh, so yeah, why don't you do that?
Point Sigma, Blackthorn.io, SharingPix, Dun & Bradstreet, Proven Works, Elements Cloud, and Advanced Communities.
Okay.
So you are going to learn a lot about a lot of different apps in a very short period of time. It's a great way to spend your time at an event like this. Remember to take pictures of our demo jammers, put them on hashtag, chat about the apps that you think are best. And obviously, the people that are demoing here, take a look at them. They're going to be here for the rest of the day. Go round to either their booth or pick them out of a crowd and talk to them about their app.
OK, we ready? OK, so Point Sigma are up first. OK, so Point Sigma is a business intelligence platform that configures itself using AI instead of data experts. It uses artificial curiosity, a new type of AI, to find the most relevant insights and automatically builds the graphs and dashboards you need. Sebastian and Leo will show you how an e-commerce platform called Mzone uses Point Sigma to figure out why their orders are getting delayed. For the purpose of this demo, Seb will be the head of customer operations, and Leo is going to be a Salesforce admin working for Mzone. So, guys, are you ready?
All good.
So 3, 2, 1, away you go.
Hi, Leo. I've been hearing some complaints about long delivery times. Can we have a look at the data to see what's going on?
Yeah, we can, but you keep asking me these analytics questions. It's taking a lot of my time. But I found this app, Point Sigma, and connected our Salesforce and ShipStation systems to it. Let's see what it can do. Oh, here we can explore suggested insights. Let's have a look and filter by location first.
Did you build all of these graphs?
No, I just connected our systems and all these graphs just appeared. The first one here has number of accounts by state here in Brazil.
OK, interesting. But can I see that by number of orders instead?
Yeah, we can. Here in alternative axis, it has different ways to show the same insight. Here we have it by number of orders instead, and it has even figured out how to join between Salesforce and ShipStation. Let's save this one in a dashboard. There we go. So we can keep track of it. and see what else we got. All right, this is smart. Here it has combined these two time columns and subtracted them to calculate delivery time.
I didn't realize the regional differences were that large.
That is quite a lot. Let's see what else we can find out about order fulfillment. We'll scroll here. So here on the left, we can filter by order and time. Now, what is going on here? We have number of order approvals by time of day.
What's that peak there in the middle of the night?
Yeah, I was looking at that too. Not sure, but here the system has broken this down for us by payment method already. It looks like we're approving voucher payments in the middle of the night. I think I know what's going on. We have a batch process that approves these vouchers overnight. And that's probably slowing things down.
Okay, we should definitely check out if we can do those approvals in real time. But how did you know I was going to ask about all of this?
I didn't, and with all the other AI tools I've tried, I had to do most of the work to prepare all the data before these systems would do anything smart. But Point Sigma does all this for me, and I can keep track of updates as well here in my dashboards.
And it turns out Amazon was able to do the approvals in real time, and they this allowed them to reduce the order fulfillment time by 11%.
30 seconds left.
And what we've just shown you is the future of data analytics. You don't need an army of data experts to set up complicated tools. Our AI will find the relevant insights for you. We have Point Sigma available now on AppExchange, and we're giving exclusive access to the first 20 subscribers. So if you want more insights from your data, or you're struggling with BI, reporting, and analytics tools and spending a lot of time on that, try Point Sigma from AppExchange, or come speak to us after.
Brilliant. Time up.
Woo! So now on my side, we have Blackthorn IO. So just as we set up here.
Is this on?
Yeah. Lovely. So just while they're working on that, let me tell you a little bit about Blackthorn IO. So Blackthorn IO are the Salesforce award-winning AppExchange partner, helping to keep all your events, payments, and customer engagement information on Salesforce. Blackthorn's mission is to help you focus on your customers instead of your processes, with the top AppExchange partner for events and payments on Salesforce. As the 2022 Salesforce.org ISV Education Partner of the Year and the Cross-Industry Sales Partner of the Year, they are hyper-specialists focusing on ensuring the best product functionality across all industries. Where you're looking to adopt a return-to-event mindset through live and digital events, or ensuring your organization can take payments quickly and securely from anywhere, Blackthorn is your ISV partner for the digital acceleration.
Thanks for the introduction, Kerry. So my name is Gibran. I'm account executive here at Blackthorn.
Hi, Jim Matharu here. It's working. I head up alliances for Blackthorn across EMEA. This is going to whiz by super fast, so let's fly.
Right, so Blackthorn's focus this year is helping our customers increase business impact through adopting a return on events mindset. We're going to show you just how easy it is to create and manage events directly out of Salesforce. Let's start by showing you how to create an event within Salesforce in a click-based environment. So whether you're a first-time Salesforce user or a seasoned veteran, our Events Wizard enables you to create a virtual, in-person, or hybrid event within minutes.
Let's build an event. First, you're going to want to give your event a name, a start, and an end date. If you're creating an event, which is similar to the one you've created before, you can clone some of those settings or all of them to speed up the process. We have multiple UIs, so you can choose between the 3 pre-made templates or bring your own CSS to maximize customization and flexibility. In the next step, you can add images, details to your event landing page, choose streaming services for virtual and hybrid events, and add post-registration or post-event surveys. The wizard also allows you to add individual speaker sessions, whether they're one-to-one meetings or seminars targeting specific attendees. You can add multiple ticket types with variable pricing, cut-off dates, and capacity, and even the ability for attendees to make a donation or buy a product while they're engaging during the registration process. Being a native solution, you can invite attendees using data you already have in Salesforce, whether that's an account, a contact, campaign, or a report.
All right, great. So we've got our event landing page created. Let's register for this event. So if I click Get Tickets here, I start the registration process. So all of these various ticket types that you can see here, the custom questions here in the registration form, all of these exist in Salesforce already. Okay, so we're populating fields that exist in Salesforce. There's no need for an API call or any bespoke connectors. We're completely native. You got something to say about that, Jin?
Well, take note, London's calling event organizers.
So once an attendee registers, an attendee record is created for that individual in Salesforce. This shows you their registration status, their custom question responses, and after the event, you can see their attendance status and any form submissions, so surveys they might have responded to at or post the event, and any sessions they might have attended at the event are visible here as well. Now, this attendee record you'll see is connected to a contact record, which I've got ready and open here. So we're giving you complete visibility into your customer, your prospect, your member, their events journey, and events are often the first time that a customer or a prospect, rather, interacts with your organization. So here you can see their entire event attendance history, the event.
Time up, time up, time up. 3 minutes, you're done.
All right, apologies.
That's it.
Woo! Great, well, thank you. Cheers. And we're downstairs in the...
I was going to say we're downstairs in the Queen's...
Expo room.
Expo room.
No.
Well,
Chambers?
Queen's downstairs,
That's
yes.
it. Thank you.
Queen's vault. Cool. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, almost.
Okay, so here we have Jean-Michel from Sharing Pics. Woohoo! Right, using photos in Salesforce, it should be easy to implement, but it's not that easy.
No.
Sharing Pics makes it simple with image features directly on the record. 20 components to construct the best user experience automation on images and mobile inspection app. Yeah. Are you ready?
Yes, almost. Let me,
Ready, Max?
Give me the top.
Get set, go.
Okay, so first, excuse me for my bad English, I'm French. So we are very known for image features in Salesforce, as Francis had told, so you can have a lot of integration in Salesforce thanks to the 20+ components that we have, so you can upload pictures, resize them, save them directly into a field, so you can have into that email or so ever. We have also fancy components like PDF plan, where you can have interaction and upload to each point your own fields and images, as well as a very large number of features and methods that could be called from flows or any automation or directly within your development. All the components, by the way, are working on the development. But guess what? This is not what I want to talk to you today. What I want to talk to you today is the mobile experience with Sharing Pics, that we are coming with the inspection app, as we said. So the inspection app is coming as an integration with Salesforce mobile app and also field service, work offline. So here, if I click the button, take picture, I can take several pictures there. So you see the backstage. Yeah, cool. And you can even snap and say, which is talking to your phone while you take a picture. Awesome people in London, so that will be directly a text in the photos then, as well as scanning a document if needed. Scanning a document if needed.
Here it is. Oh, let me check.
It's so far. Oh, yeah. It works. And you can also do a lot of other things, such as working with PDF. So let me go there. So within a PDF, you can have a checklist of PDF as an example, a very quick checklist. So here is an example I can answer to very quick entry, works offline. Demo Jammer has air, no. Demo Jammer is smiling, yes. So it looks like a winner, maybe. And I can sign that and make that part of Salesforce by uploading that. That could be part of your Salesforce game, so it could be sent by email to anybody. When you click on it, it's a dynamic PDF because you can click on a picture and you can even see it bigger and zoom on it. Time left?
40 seconds.
OK, 40?
Yeah.
Oh, 40 seconds. I think that's a good time to take a selfie. Don't you think so? Let's do that. So you can win that crazy thing at my booth, OK? You just have to come and buy. By the way, we are working with drone company that are taking a picture of roof and teach them together and get that back to Salesforce. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
How many time left?
15 seconds.
OK, that's good for the selfie.
Everybody's back.
Uh-oh. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Lovely, lovely. Thank you, Jean-Michel. So with me on the best side of the stage over here, I think you'll find that we have Dun & Bradstreet. Dun & Bradstreet are excited to be participating in the Demo Jam for the first time. Can I hear a woohoo for that? Thank you very much. They are showcasing their brand new app, D&B Connect for Salesforce, which provides trusted Dun & Bradstreet B2B data for users' fingertips within your CRM. The app enables businesses to overcome significant challenges of keeping information on accounts and leads up to date, relevant, and actionable, whether you're segmenting the market, identifying priority targets, or ensuring alignment across the business. Take it away.
OK, on your marks, get set, go.
Welcome, everybody, to the Dun & Bradstreet Bake-Off tent. Yes, and it is Jam Week. There will be a number of puns following, apologies. We are promoting D&B Connect for Salesforce, which is our new app, which is all about enriching and cleansing B2B data directly within Salesforce. This is important because all sales and marketing efforts are underpinned by having good quality data ingredients and recipes, carrying on the theme. So D&B Connect, what you can do is undertake a number of projects to match and enrich your data and push that data into Salesforce CRM. It's configurable to maximize the matching routines and make sure you get the data you need to enrich within your CRM records. So D&B Connect, from a user perspective, and again, extending the analogy, we need to create a new record as a user for Bake-Off UK. So Adam has just typed in Bake-Off, and it's come back instantly from the D&B match reference database of some 470 million records. And he can quickly identify the right business at a click of a button. And also at this stage, it's showing some icons to say they're duplicates in that account already exists in a record. So it's prevented from creating duplicates at this stage, which is important given on average 18% duplication rate in CRM systems. When he's selected the right business, it populates the information, key information, company name, address, the DUNS number. No need to key information in. No errors obviously being created, and obviously not wasting sales users' time by keying unnecessary information. The next step is to enrich. So D&B Connect provides up to 1,600 data points, all of which could be provided on an account object and on the D&B custom object, as you can see on screen. All of that information as well can be obviously pushed into workflows, process automation, for example, to drive insight onto new leads and to route those new leads. That could be based on, for example, are they creditworthy businesses? Are they businesses you're dealing with already in the corporate family tree, depending on the size, and also whether decision-making authority is actually at that site location. All of that can be used on new leads and obviously existing accounts to help the targeting and driving growth within the business. Also, out-of-the-box dashboards are available from a data steward's perspective to understand you're out of business, records within a database, and also in terms of actually understanding corporate ownership and hierarchy and family tree linkage for cross-sell and upsell. So, Whistle Stop Tour, that's your showstopper. D&B Connect makes data management within Salesforce easy and helps users gain confidence in the data to help to drive business growth.
Cool. Well done. Cool. So next up, we have ProvenWorks, a British ISV who has been around since 2008. Damien and Ruth are going to take you through their solution, Simple Import, a tool designed to empower users to manage import jobs themselves. So guys, over to you to talk us through an import. Are you ready? Steady, go.
Hello, London's calling. My name is Ruth, this is Damien, and yep, today we are going to be adding a list of products to this opportunity. So Damien, take it away.
Sure, so I've got a pre-configured one of our components here, so I can open that up, and all I need to do as a user with my user hat on is find my file. Where's that order form? There it is, drag it in, and as a user, I'm done.
Awesome, so whilst that's going, what makes Simple Import so special compared to all of those other import tools out there? Well, firstly, this component that Damien is using. You can put our component on any Lightning page, which means your users never have to leave Salesforce to perform an import. And secondly, it's our ability to work with existing records. So here we've got the component sitting on an opportunity record page. And really, the tool is doing all the hard work, importing related data directly onto the record itself.
And we're done? We're done, I guess?
Sorry?
Yeah, we're done.
Oh. We've got ages. Should we do another import?
Sure.
What about that attendee list of hot leads I emailed you this morning?
Yeah, I think I got that. So I've got another component here on this lead management app page. And again, all I need to do is find that file. So we support XLS, CSV, ODS, XLSX files. There's the list, drag it in, and up the data goes.
I was really hoping that would take longer. OK, London's calling. Who loves a digital experience? Woo! OK, then I'm thinking partner users. Always getting emails from partners with order forms they want uploaded. Can we get partner users importing themselves?
Sure, so I've got a digital experience page with another one of our configured components.
Okay.
And again, all I need to do as this time a partner user is find my file, open up the component. Where's that partner metric file? There it is. Grab the file, drag it over, and up that data goes to the mothership.
Damien, this has gone pretty smooth. Oh my gosh.
What?
Damien.
What have you done?
That attendee list, that's the wrong data. We've imported the wrong data into Salesforce.
That's okay, not a problem. So as a user, I can actually revert that on the fly via the component like that, or after the fact, as an admin, you can log in and pull back a file that's gone up previously.
Amazing. OK, well, what have we done? We set out to take you through one import. We've taken you through 3, and we've undone one of them. Damien, I'd say that's not bad going. We've made importing look pretty simple, wouldn't you say?
Pretty simple. Pretty good going. Thanks, everyone.
Woo-hoo. Well done, guys.
Thank you very much. OK, so our last competitor, remember, it's a competition, we have Elements Cloud, Elements.cloud. Elements.cloud helps you understand your org much better. For a consultant, it costs just $500 a year. That's less than a jar of Marmite at $2 a day. You'll either love it or hate it, but they're yet to find anybody that hates it. So you decide.
So are you ready, Ian?
I think I probably am.
On your marks, get set, go.
OK, so how do you make a change in Salesforce? Normally, people make the change like this, and then they go, yeah, and you wait for a while, and if it doesn't break, then you probably got away with it. I would suggest there's something even worse than that. That is using an app that says, don't worry, we've looked at everything, and it definitely won't break. Because that can't be true. Because you've got integrations to third-party systems. There are no apps that can tell you absolutely everything. We believe you need to aggregate as much information so you can make a risk-based decision rather than blindly going, it's OK, The app told us we could do it, and we'll make the change. So what we do is we pull all the metadata out of Salesforce, and we give you these sorts of views. So how well populated is a field? This is in Salesforce, this right panel. What documentation can I go and add? So here are all the fields in this particular object. This is how well populated they are. But I need more information. So maybe I'll go and have a look at a field in a bit more detail. So here's that field, again in Salesforce. I could look at, any documentation that people have added. Maybe there's a link there to a process diagram that gives me some insights into how it's used. There are 8 occasions where you shouldn't delete a field just because it's got data in it. If an empty field, 8 examples where you shouldn't delete it. You need more information. The other thing, of course, is where is it used? So I can see there that this is used in lots of places. I could see it's used in 3 validation rules. If I roll over it, it'll give me the validation rule. But I actually need more information than that. So what I could do is I could click on this dependency tree. I can open up my dependency tree, and it's now telling me this is the field. I know there are those 3 validation rules. Actually, how I see it, it's also used in Pardot, but actually Pardot is linked to MuleSoft, which is now linked over there into NetSuite. So suddenly I'm getting some insights into not just where it's used in Salesforce, but all of those knock-on effects. How many times as a consultant or as an admin did the user go, it can't be that difficult to change? Just can you go and change it, yes? You've suddenly got some evidence. It's used in 7 page layouts. It's used in those 2 fields, but I've also got to look at those 2 fields and say, oh, hang on, there are validation rules associated with it. You've now got a way of demonstrating not just how much effort it takes, but you can demonstrate it to the users. This is how long it's going to take. You can also then make sure you allocate the right level of development resource and testing resource so you make sure you're making the changes. This is all about risk-based decision-making, not just going, the app told me I could delete it, I'll delete it, and then you regret it.
30 seconds.
So I'm sure you're looking at this going, I can't possibly afford it. As we said, if you're a consultant, $500 a day, $500 a year. $500 a year, you can use it on as many clients as you want. If you're working in a company, it's 5% of what you spend on Salesforce. And if you're an admin going, I can't possibly afford that, I can guarantee you, if you talk to the person who's writing the check for Salesforce, they can absolutely find a budget for it. So we believe this is all about risk-based decision-making, so you and your platform owner can sleep well at night. So that's Elements.
Time up. Cool. Okay, our final one. I'm ready for this. Advanced Communities is the last team to go. Rebecca and Paul prove a dynamic duo. They know you've been seated for quite a long while, being wowed and cheered on their talented rivals. Be patient, they promise. They've worked out their timing. 3 minutes is on, and you've guessed it, they're rhyming. Paul will be playing a community administrator, walking you through an events building simulator. Without further ado, let's start the show. The timer is starting. Ready, set, go!
Hello, everyone. We're at London's Calling. I promise these next 3 minutes are enthralling. If you follow along, we'll give you a clue of the wonderful things our company can do. Did you know that AC has made a big change? From services to products, we've broadened our range. In addition to SI, as you knew us before, we're focusing on apps, events and membership galore. We love this ecosystem, and we're here to explore what we can do with partners, Salesforce, and more. Now, before we go too far, I'd like you to know that I'm from Kentucky, and so for this show, my accent will sneak in. It's out of control. Events can be used as a standalone fix, but with MemberSmart, you get a whole new bag of tricks. Now, imagine you're an admin logged into your instance. You could have just events or in coexistence, trainings, donations, and the piece de resistance. Let's start with events. It's quite the solution. From planning to running, there is no substitution for community nonprofits and EDU institutions. We're built for communities, and it's easy to see that creating events can be done in 1, 2, 3. We'll start by defining the type of event, then name it and date it. That only makes sense. But before we move on, we'll add a description with our rich text field, compose your transcription. I'm sure that you'll find we're so customizable, individuality is highly advisable. Now, my poem is fast, so just give us a minute. Timing is everything when you're in it to win it. Now we add photos, because everyone knows without a good image, your invite just blows. Now upload your logo and boast your brand proudly. Make sure when you share it, you market it loudly. From here we choose where your event will be held. To populate it properly, just watch how it's spelled. You can see that our app has Google Map integration. These special touches build a solid foundation. This Salesforce event is in Bishopsgate. At the tower, we're sure your event will be great. Now, we're almost complete, so it's up to you who will see the events you create for your community. To make chatter group connections, simply follow my directions. Click here, it's easy, right smack in this section. Then when you're finished, I know you'll agree, your event can be beautiful. Click complete, and you'll see. Your photos are bright, your location is clear, registration is easy, you simply click here.
30 seconds.
As soon as you're finished, just add to your calendar. We know your event will be truly spectacular. Thank you to everyone from our AC family. We're proud of our apps. They work internationally. For questions and demos, we're here to assist. Does AC events seem like a good fit? If so, just reach out. We can't wait to speak with you. Thanks for your time. Our demo is through.
Thank you, thank you. I feel that Francis is just getting the, I'm going to call it silverware. Some of it's silver.
Absolutely silverware. Here we go.
There we go.
Oh, so we have this new London's Calling Award.
Woo!
And also, of course, the much coveted Demo Jam App Exchange Award.
Woohoo! Just me, come on. Woohoo! Thank you.
Cool. Okay, so now it's your time to vote. And we forgot to remind you right at the beginning to get your phone out and get your app on your phone ready. So get your phone out, get into that Hoover app, and Todd will do some magic.
Yeah, just head to the Demo Jam in the agenda.
Head to the Demo Jam in the agenda. And it will be there.
We do both at the same time? Or?
No, both at the same, yeah, make it easy. Yeah, both at the same time. So we've got the two polls that Kerry's going to remind us all about.
So your standard Demo Jam award, the one that you've voted for before for the app that you absolutely love. But then we're also looking to see if there's a slightly different flavour in London where you're looking to vote for the app that you think your organisation would implement next based on the range of interesting ones we've seen today. And we have seen a range.
We have seen a huge range.
So hopefully someone's going to give me a thumbs up that they found the poll in the app. I have
yes.
thumbs up.
Have you found both polls? Yeah, they're both there. Oh, yeah, brilliant.
Amazing.
Yeah, and just remember that you can't vote if you are one of the companies in the front, and unfortunately your vote won't be counted. So no trying. Yeah. So we'll wait a couple more minutes for you to vote, and we'll maybe run through. Who do we have? Oh, you'll see it at the poll anyway. We can't remember now. Here we go. Where's the list?
Yeah, we've been efficient to remove the...
the actual list.
From our...
Right.
But we'll just take a moment to talk about how well the day's gone so far, so hopefully you're all focused in the app.
I think everybody's waiting for lunch, aren't they? The food is amazing. And also, where and how you get a T-shirt, which is always exciting, which I'm looking at Jade now. All sorted? Yeah, all sorted. Yeah. Just remember, it might be tacky and still wet. You know. How's it going, Todd?
257 answers.
257
Ooh, we can get a little bit more than that.
Come on.
Just a little bit more. Just a few more.
Keep going.
If you thought that you might not bother.
Is anybody still voting and can't vote? Or is everybody voted? Is anybody still voting? Hands up if you're still wanting time for voting. No? Oh, no, one still doing it.
Yep. Multitask. Try to vote whilst answering our question.
Wi-Fi should be really good. Works for me. Super Wi-Fi here at this event. Right, OK. Going over to Todd with...
Coming. Drum roll.
So we're going to go with who is your London Calling 2022 Demo Jam winner. Oh, all the Demo Jammers come up onto the stage.
Woo-hoo! Come on, everybody. I can see you. I can see you. Come on, my side. Come on, come on. You're doing well. Thanks, Ian. Leading the charge.
Because this is this award, isn't it? Is it London Schooling one? That one?
Oh, no, this is the other one.
The other one. So this is Kerry's. OK, this is Kerry's. So, Kerry, you need to go over there. Oh, it's almost like, you know, we've planned. Oh, my word, we're almost on time. This is incredible. OK. We have...
No, first of all, can I have a round of applause?
Oh, yeah, round of applause to all the demos.
Excellent.
They were awesome.
The Demo Jam is a little daunting.
And you can watch them again online as well later on.
This is a big room of people to come and do a Demo Jam, and we do have some first-timers, so thank you very much for being kind. But I can reveal that the Demo Jam Award goes to Advanced Community. So let me, here it is. We're going to take some photos. Ooh, Ian.
Go. Go on, here we go. Go. Oh, Charlie.
Really?
Okay.
Celebrity.
So the next award, the final award, this is the London's Calling Choice Award. Drum roll, please. Goes to Elements Cloud. Well done. Brilliant. Cool. Oh, Charlie wants a photo. We want to give Charlie a photo. Okay, so now...
It's heavy.
And now we have lunch, and everybody can go, right? Yeah, that's it? T-shirt.
T-shirts? Some people have asked about some T-shirts.
Yes, the top call, T-shirt. Anybody want a T-shirt? Yeah, that turned up yesterday. Yeah, so the T-shirts are, and don't rush, we've got a lot. I've just suddenly realized a health and safety thing here. So be calm and collected as you walk downstairs. But as you're going in for food, there will be tables out in reception with the T-shirts on from now. But yeah, so make an orderly queue down there, but also keep to the right, and then let other people coming down as you go down the stairs so that they can get into Expo and get food. And all the food is in the Expo in the middle. So that is it. Is there anything else? Have I forgotten anything?
I don't think so. Lunch will be an hour.
Yeah.
Please, there should be plenty of food there. Please enjoy. Speak to our sponsors. Many of them that are also up there now.
And I'll see you in the afternoon. So long.